Hello, my technical friends. This is TestOut Linux Pro, and this is lab 7.3.7, and we are going to delete a group and users. So Linda Blaine and Rhonda Conga are temporary employees who we are auditing your organization's financial documents. Their user accounts are members of the auditors group. They have completed their works and have moved on to new assignments. You need to remove their user account, home directories, and the auditors group from the system. Complete this lab from the terminal. So in this lab, your task is to delete the following user accounts and their corresponding home directories. Okay, L Blaine and R Conga, delete the auditors group, view the /etc/group file to verify changes. Alright, so that is all we need to do. Let's go ahead and start lab. So we'll wait for the lab to load. In the meantime, if you will find this video to be helpful, at the end of this video, you might want to consider joining my professional membership, where you have detailed one-on-one video guide on how to resolve any of the TestOut lab by clicking the join button on this video. So we still wait for the lab to load. Alright, the lab is loaded. We open terminal and we begin. Alright, so we type in user there space -r space L Blaine, press enter. User del space -r space R Conga, press enter. Group del space auditors, press enter. CAT space /etc/group, press enter, and ls space /home, press enter. And then we'll go ahead and score lab. If you find this video to be helpful, you might as well consider sharing this video on other educational platforms so that others can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.